Using this command, you are going to see the full picture of your disk usage. You might have come across something like this when you want to try to check your disk usage. Try to use the command du, and when you use it, you see all these files and folders flowing around, and the problem is that it is very difficult to know exactly what is eating up the disk, right? So we always use du to do this, which, if you think about it, this DU or this utility was actually it came out in about 1971. So when you think about it, we've been using this for more than 50 years now. So this very tool has kind of done its part. It has really, really served us well so far. So now I'm going to show you the tool that you need to use in order to easily identify what's eating up your disk. First of all, let me show you this command called dust. So instead of using du, you could use this very command. Let's hit enter. This is very simple. So you can easily see the picture of what is occupying your disk, right? So as you can see here, for example, here I can just see that this is taking up GB, for example. Here I can see that this download folder is taking up about 30 of those, and so forth. So you can see all the folders here, for example, what the sizes of files that they contain. So, and on the right hand side here, you can actually see that it's also listed in percentage. So which kind of makes it easier for you to just take a look at this and decide this is what I want to this is the folder that I need to empty in order to regain my this space. So I like this very tool a lot, and I can assure you that so many people probably weren't aware of this. So I would like for you to try this maybe at work or on your own to see and tell me if it was helpful to you, or if you knew about it before. And I hope you find it helpful. And might also ask you to please subscribe to the channel and watch the next video. I'm going to show you other tools that you are going to find very helpful. Thank you.